What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel, man. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. Now, y'all seen that title, seen that thumbnail, and y'all wondering how I got these joints for free. Let's talk about it, man. First things first, man, we got this big brick box, man. Fitting for the shoe, because this joint is kind of a brick, but I'm happy to have it. Let's tell this story, man. Off-white Nike on the box lid with the bricks. Brick print all the way around the shoe. The tag on this joint reads Air Force 1 Mid, SP leather, pine green, white, and white. Inside of the box has the off-white logos and Nike logos. Same with the blue paper, man. Has the logos going all the way across. Now, if you're not knowing already by this big box, this is the box that the off-white Nike Air Force 1 Mids come in. And I was able to score these joints for free. But let's get into the shoes first. Let's get into it. Here we have the off-white Air Force 1 Mid in the pine green colorway. These joints are leather, man. I like these a lot more than the first white and black pairs that come out that had like the little nylon material. Still not the biggest fan of the model, man. Mainly due to the outsole with the spikes. Not the biggest fan of that, man. You can see spikes has that big piece on the insole there. But other than that, man, green is my favorite color. I used to wear Air Force 1 Mids a whole lot when I was younger, but let's get into this shoe, man. Let's talk about it. This shoe comes laced in a pine green leather going all the way around the shoe. On the heel logo, man, it has the candelabra, man. This is the canary yellow logo that Virgil uses for his website. When you're seeing all those shock drops and things like that from canary yellow, this is the same logo that they use. It's called a candelabra. It has the Nike swoosh stitched on with the orange tab like they do on pretty much all of the off-white Nike and Jordan collabs. Nike Air on the back, man. It has a nylon strip and a nylon pull tab. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, has that same Nike swoosh stitched in. Has the Nike Air Force 1 Beaverton and all the information printed on as usual. Does have that big extra piece on the middle of the midsole. Pure white midsole on both sides, man. Pure white midsole. It has the pure pine green going across the outsole with the spikes, which is my least favorite part of the shoe, man. It has the spikes going all the way across the toe and parts of the mid of the foot as well. This shoe does come laced with pine green laces factory installed with the white set of like extra laces that he uses like on the dunks and the lots that he did, and even some of the Air Force 1s are made like this. So the mids in particular, man, they got the extra lace with the white and has the nice lace lock right there with the Nike check on it. The tongue on this joint does have air and like a graffiti type of print. Like I said, the tongue does come in air like the graffiti type of print with a Nike sign underneath the air. I like that part of the shoe as well. Now, it is a mid, man. It's not my favorite model of Air Force 1, but I would prefer the lows or the highs a lot better. But overall, man, this is a clean shoe with it being green, my favorite color. Some pretty dope materials. And it's a pretty nice quality shoe, man. Now, getting into this hang tag, man, it does have the off-white CO Nike. This is a 2022 and it has a zip tie on there, man. Pretty dope shoe all the way around, if we're being honest with you, man. I know it's a mid, it's not everyone's favorite Air Force 1 model, but overall, man, it's a really, really dope shoe, especially for free, man, especially for free. I'm gonna go ahead and rock these joints, bro. And if you see on the midsole here, it does have like an exposed air unit. That's not something that you usually see on Air Force 1s, but it's something that Virgil added to his version. Now, get into that right shoe, man. Pretty much it's the same as the left. Wrapped in green leather going all the way around the shoe. Stitched on swoosh. But on the back of this one, it has the off written in Virgil's handwriting. So they took his handwriting, scanned it, got it calibrated to the stitch machine, and they stitched this joint on in Virgil's handwriting. Other than that, man, pretty much the same. Same swoosh, same text on the inside. Green laces with the white extras. Green and white on that lace lock. White and green on the back. Nylon strip, nylon pull tag. The same air on the tongue as well in that graffiti with a Nike sign underneath, bro. These joints are solid. These joints are solid for sure. Now, the end of the shoelaces does have the word shoelaces printed on, just as Virgil does with pretty much all of his shoes and collabs. On the inside, as far as the insole, it is a green insole with like the off-white like face logo that he uses on the left shoe, and I'll post a picture right here. And this is the logo. He has the hand logo on the right shoe, green insole with the white hand printed on it. It has like 000 printed towards the forefoot of the shoe, man. I'll post some pictures of both of those examples right here, man. Super clean details, man. I like the shoe, but y'all came to see how I got it for free, man. So let's get into that. Now, if you're in the Discord for the Whittaker group, which is FLYEERR, Social Status, Prosper, and ABP, I'm gonna post a screenshot, but they posted this a while ago. This was on April the 28th, man. And it says, I'm on FLYEERR, Houston, Texas, and Social Status, Houston, Texas, have teamed up with Architecture and Virgil Abloh for an in-store giveaway of free limited edition magazines and free pairs of the Off-White Air Force One in the Pine Green colorway, man. So Off-White sent FLYEERR Houston like an old newspaper stand, and they had these magazines inside of the newspaper stand. Now inside of the magazine, they have like different pictures from like photo shoots over the years, and a lot of photo shoots just including the Air Force One mainly. A lot of photos including the green, the white, and the black Air Force Ones. We found a good picture for y'all. This is probably the best picture. Just showing the shoes, man. So this was showing like the design of the Air Force One and just different photo shoots and different mock-ups from Virgil, man. So they were giving out these free magazines, man. Now inside of a few of the magazines, man, they basically were giving out golden tickets. And on the inside of the magazine, this is what the ticket looked like, man. It had the green Air Force One on one side, and it had this right here on the other side. Congratulations, you are a winner of the Off-White Nike Air Force One Mid SP Pine Green. Send a photo of this card and the magazine to Architecture via Instagram direct message to claim your pair. So technically, man, when I went in the day that they dropped this on April the 28th, I got a magazine I didn't hit. We ended up going like a couple of weeks later, maybe. I guess people weren't really interested in Air Force One or didn't think they were gonna win. We went a couple of weeks later for the airship release, and my girlfriend was just looking at the newspaper stand. I'm like, you can go ahead and grab one. This is just a clean little magazine. She picks it up, man. She's flipping through it, and this pops up on one of the pages, and she just skips right over it. I'm like, hold on, let me see that. I grab the magazine, I look at this, and she has a golden ticket, bro. She always wins, bro. She had a golden ticket. So she took a picture, she DM'd them on May the 10th. This was 2 weeks after they initially posted in the Discord. She ended up hitting 2 weeks later, DM'd them on May the 10th. It did take a little while. What is it, May, June, July? We just got these shoes 2 months later. On July the 11th is when they came in. So they did send them. They did overnight them once they finally got them shipped out. It was a little back and forth between like Architecture and Nike. They weren't sure. I'm assuming who was gonna actually send out the pair. I'm not sure how that worked or what the confusion was. But as soon as we DM'd them the first time, they did respond. And it just took a while for them to go ahead and send out the shoe. They never sent tracking or anything like that. Shoe just showed up yesterday. My size 12, bro. And I'm happy to have this joint, bro. Got the golden ticket, kept the magazine, keeping the shoes, keeping the box. And it's just a dope story, bro. I always talk about FLYEERR, specifically FLYEERR Houston, man. Good food, one of my favorite stores. I may can't afford a lot of the Balenciagas and the Dior and stuff they got in there, bro. But they always doing dope events, man. And I'm happy to have these joints. Especially for the free, man. Especially for the free. But y'all do me a favor, man. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys is feeling about the Off-White Air Force One Mid as a model. Let me know how you feeling about this pine green colorway, man. Was this a cop for you? Drop, drip, flip, skip? Let me know how you're feeling. I believe retail on these joints was like around 205 bucks, man. So kind of expensive when you're thinking about Air Force Ones, but it is a collab. It is Virgil. It is Off-White, man. They're gonna try to, both sides gonna try to make their bread. So it was a 205 ticket. On the retail, but resale on these joints are like 150 and down pretty much across the board, bro. So if you want them, you definitely can grab them, bro. But I got them for free, so I'm a little biased, man. So y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Like I said, man, y'all copping, dropping, dripping, flipping, skipping. Let me know, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if this is a come up. Would you want to see more brands do giveaways like this and give away shoes and products to their people, or should they just keep marking things up and keep selling them at a higher and higher price, man? Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling and just leave your honest feedback, man. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this pine green Nike Air Force One Mid by Off-White that I got for free, man. Leave a comment down below, drop some feedback. But until next time on the next video, we got the pine green Off-White Air Force One mid that I got for free with this magazine. Shout out FLYEERR, man. Peace.